How did ancient civilizations optimize energy use with passive techniques? Imagine living in a time without modern air conditioning or heating, yet feeling comfortable in extreme weather. Ancient civilizations found clever ways to do just that by working with nature. They used passive techniques to manage heat transfer and conserve energy, making their buildings cooler in summer and warmer in winter without any machines. One common method was designing buildings to take advantage of natural heat flow. Thick walls made from mud brick, adobe, or stone absorbed heat during the day and slowly released it at night. This kept indoor temperatures steady and reduced the need for extra heating or cooling. Small windows limited direct sunlight, which helped prevent indoor heat buildup, while still letting in light and air. High ceilings and shaded courtyards encouraged air circulation, helping cool spaces naturally. The orientation of buildings was carefully planned to catch breezes and avoid harsh sunlight, making indoor environments more comfortable year-round. Ancient cities also used natural wind to their advantage. Structures like Persian wind catchers, or bodskirs, were tall towers that captured cool breezes and funneled them into homes. Narrow streets created shaded pathways and funneled breezes through neighborhoods, cooling the air as people moved around. Windmills in Persia and China used wind energy to grind grain or pump water, showing an early understanding of converting natural energy flows into useful work. Evaporative cooling was another popular technique. Water placed in porous clay pots or damp mats absorbed heat as it evaporated, lowering the temperature of the surrounding air. Fountains and ponds in courtyards added to this cooling effect through evaporation, which is still used today in dry climates. These water features not only cooled the air but also created pleasant, relaxing spaces. Ancient builders also used passive solar energy. They oriented buildings and windows to maximize winter sun exposure and minimize summer heat. Roman bathhouses had large south-facing windows to capture solar warmth. Persian ice houses, called yakshals, combined solar shading and evaporative cooling to produce and store ice in hot desert climates. They used insulating materials to keep the cold in and heat out, conserving energy and water. Water management systems played a role too. Persian Carnots and Indian stepped wells collected and directed underground water, which helped moderate temperatures inside homes and public spaces. These systems also made water available in dry areas, reducing the energy needed to transport water over long distances. All these passive techniques show how ancient civilizations used natural processes like conduction, convection, radiation, and evaporation to save energy. Today, modern buildings can incorporate these ideas by using thick walls, natural ventilation, water features, and solar orientation. These methods help reduce reliance on mechanical systems, saving energy and making spaces more comfortable. By studying and applying these time-tested strategies, we can create environments that work with nature rather than against it, all while respecting the principles of thermodynamics.